In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format, US to UK, in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet is showing dates as month, day, year, and you need day, month, year, don't worry. This is a quick fix. I'll walk you through two clean approaches, one that updates the entire sheet using your locale, and another that targets only specific cells using a custom format. Along the way, I'll explain what each option changes so you can pick the one that fits your workflow. Let's start with the most reliable method for the whole file. Open your Google Sheet, go to File, then Settings. In the Settings window, look for the locale and change it to United Kingdom. Confirm your choice. Instantly, Google Sheets switches the default date interpretation and display to the UK standard. That means dates will appear as day, month, year, currency symbols change to pounds, and decimal separators follow UK conventions. If your cells already contain true date values, you'll see them reformat automatically to the new style. Keep in mind, this affects the default for the entire spreadsheet, including future entries, so it's perfect if the whole project needs UK formatting across the board. Now, if you only want to change certain cells and keep the rest of the file as is, select the range you care about. With those cells highlighted, go to Format, then Number, and choose Custom Date and Time. You'll see a builder where you can define exactly how the date should look. There isn't a built-in UK template in that list, so you'll create it yourself. Delete the current pattern, then add day, month, and year in the order you want. Day first, month second, year last. You can pick whether day and month show as 1 or 2 digits, and whether the year is 2 or 4 digits. Add slashes as separators so it reads as DD, MM, YYYY. When it looks right, click Apply, and your selected cells will display in UK format while the rest of the sheet remains unchanged. A quick tip to avoid confusion. Formatting controls how a date is displayed, but it doesn't convert text into real dates. If a cell contains a date stored as plain text, changing the format won't update it. You'll want the values to be recognized as dates, so the format can take effect. And that's it. Use the locale change for a consistent, sheet-wide UK setup, or the custom format for targeted ranges. Either way, your dates will read the way you expect,